Hello mommies! Let me do some baby bag update. Dumating na nga pala itong mini hankies na in-order ko from Watsons here on TikTok. In an affordable price, makakakuha ka na ng 10 packs of mini hankies from Watsons. Each packs contains 10 sheets. Isa nga pala to sa mga binili ko online for my baby. These mini hankies are made in sustainable material. They are made from bamboo pulp. This is really ideal for on-the-go everyday use. This is also eco-conscious choice, which means buying these mini hankies instead of the regular ones makes a positive impact on the environment. As you can see on this part of the video, ito na yung mga laman ng bag ni baby. The travel pack, wet wipes, mini alcohol spray, and the latest member, this bamboo mini hankies. Grabe, ang cute. Sobrang natutuwa talaga ako habang ginagawa to sa bag ni baby. Magbubukas nga pala ako dito ng isa, mamis, para maipakita ko rin sa inyo yung pinaka-itsura ng face tissue or nitong mini hankies for baby. This is, by the way, unscented hankies, so wala ka talagang maaamoy dito. And yes, brown yung kulay ng hankies na ito. Napaka-soft ng finish niya. And that's one thing that I really love about this. Knowing that these hankies will have a gentle touch on my baby's skin. And as expected, manipis lang talaga tong tissue na to, pero hindi naman siya yung tipong napupunit ka agad. Ang maganda pa dito, nasiseal mo siya pabalik every after use, kaya secure na secure ang face tissue mo. I hope you enjoy this kind of video. Bye!